Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you, as you all can see in the video, like very yummy paneer tikka. So paneer tikka we can make at home only very easily. This is actually suggested by one of my friend, and thanks to her. Before getting to the video, as I told you, whoever seeing our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notifications. So here for paneer tikka, we majorly require a curd actually. So for this curd, I have taken a 1 cup full of curd here. So about 1 hour to 2 hours, 1.5 hour to 2 hours, you have to keep it in a strainer. So though you can't see, there will be more water content in this curd. So to strain out all that water content, we have to put it in a strainer. See, one drop after drop, it is coming like this. If not the strainer, even you can tie it in a kerchief also for about 1 hour to 1.5 hour. So we will keep it aside, and I will show you what are all the other ingredients we require. So I have taken here paneer cube and chopped onions, as well chopped capsicum, also chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes, if you don't like, you can cut it off. Remaining all we require. Apart from this, little spices we want. For the binding purpose, we want basin flour, and then jeera powder, then salt, and then garam masala powder, and then chili powder, coriander powder, and finally turmeric powder. So this is all we require. So after 1 hour of time, see how much water content has come out of it. If the water content is was with the curd, then our batter will become very more like loose. So that's why we have to try to extract the water content as much as we can. Now I'll show you the batter what we have to make out of it, the mix of paneer. So to this curd, I am adding basin flour, as I told you, jeera powder half tablespoon, then garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Then we will be adding chili powder half tablespoon, also half tablespoon coriander powder, then finally turmeric powder. So, and salt to the taste, as well finally a little ginger garlic paste also to just highlight the taste. So just give a fine mix to it. Make sure all the ingredients will be mixed properly and well. And no need to add any water, because as I told you, as we are making it a shallow fry, so if it is become very watery, then it will not be sticking to the vegetables. So once the mix is done, add all the vegetables to it. So if you have observed, all the vegetables I have just cut it into a square shape, a little bigger shape, so that it will give you a proper tikka look. So then after you just give a nice mix, make sure batter mix will touch with all the vegetables. And now we have to rest it about 1 hour to 1.5 hour. See, these are called like tikka sticks. It will be available in the market, but it is not mandatory, as I'm showing you a proper paneer tikka making. I just got it for this video. If you don't have also, you can go ahead with the toothpick also. Or else even you can just do a normal shallow fry also, just spreading out one after the other vegetables also. Even that also can be done. So as I told you, as I got the sticks, I am going to show you the way of doing, proper way of doing actually. So with this sharpened part, you have to just assemble all the vegetables. I'm just keeping like one capsicum, then onion, then again paneer, again an onion, again tomato, capsicum, like that. Like as ever, whatever way you want to assemble it, you can assemble it like this. So one stick is ready here. See. So like this, we will be making all the sticks ready. Here some 5 sticks I made. Also to show you, I have made with the normal toothpicks also. It will be smaller, but even you can go ahead with that also. So it is ready. Now we will move ahead frying it. So as I told you, it is a shallow fry. I just put a wide pan here, and I am adding coconut oil here. Even you can add olive oil also, like this. Once our oil got heated, slowly place the paneer sticks over to the pan. and just be with this process itself, because it will take hardly 5 minutes only to change one to other, flip this. So that's why I suggest you to just be with the cooking process itself. Even you can cook it with closing the lid also. So over to this, you can just add little oil also, like this. Once after about 3 to 4 minutes, I am just turning it. So as I told you, the sticks I am just showing you to show you the perfect way of doing it. So otherwise this you can just spread it all the vegetables over to this pan itself. That will also give you a very good taste. In fact, more than this, that will give you more tasty. So finally our paneer tikka are ready here. See how professionally, how neatly restaurant style only it has come. So that's how very easily you can make the paneer tikka. See, small, small paneer tikkas with the toothpick also I made to show you. So that's how easily we can make the paneer tikka at home itself. Those who are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. And those who like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends. Mention your comments also. Thank you so much for watching.